Divide 85 by 2. So here we divide 85 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we got 0. So now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So we put here decimal so that we take here 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes 0. So 85 divided by 2 we get 42 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.